Sage tea is a natural remedy to relieve menopausal symptoms. Sage contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and estrogenic properties. These substances have the ability to control how the body reacts to changes in hormones throughout menopause. In this video, I'll explain how to make sage tea and how sage leaf can help with menopause symptoms. 1. Hot flashes. Sage tea decreases the frequency and intensity of hot flashes, which often occurs during menopause. 2. Night sweats. Sage tea can help improve sleep quality and reduces night sweat. 3. Mood changes. Sage tea helps stabilize mood swings that often occurs during menopause. 4. Supports cognitive function. Sage is believed to enhance memory and cognitive function, which can be beneficial as women age. 5. Digestive aid. Sage tea helps in digestion, which might be beneficial since digestive issues can sometimes accompany menopause. Here are how you can prepare sage tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of fresh or dried sage leaves, 1 cup of water, honey or lemon for taste, optional. Instructions: boil the water and remove it from heat. Add the sage leaves to the hot water. Cover and allow it to steep for about 5–10 minutes. Strain the leaves out of the tea. Add honey or lemon, optional. Drink the tea warm. 1 cup per day. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And check out my other videos.